In this quick video, we're going to show you how you can put a call on hold on your iPhone running iOS 17 and newer. So if you have a lot of phone calls on your phone, you're in the middle of one call and you have another call incoming, then you can put the current call on hold so you can answer the incoming one. When you're in the phone call, like I am right now, you can see that we don't have a dedicated hold button or something similar. Instead of that, we have to use another little trick. What you have to do is to long hold this mute button for a couple of seconds, and the icon will change to this pause icon, and your call will be put on hold. You can now take your other incoming call while this current call is paused. And when you want to continue with the current call, you can simply tap on the hold icon once, and the call will be resumed normally. And that is how we can easily put the call on hold on our iPhone running iOS 17. If you want more similar iPhone tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one, guys.